Hey everyone, today I'm explaining how an AI-powered crypto trading platform actually works. The real details, not the hype. Alright, let's dive in. We all know that crypto trading is quite the adventure. The markets never sleep, there are more coins than you can count, and trying to stay on top of it all can be overwhelming, especially if you're new to this field. But don't worry, because I've got the perfect solution for you. This AI trading assistant is an absolute game changer. It's not just any auto trading tool, it's like having your very own crypto mentor, helping you refine your strategies and gain insights that are simply extraordinary. If you want to check this out, the official registration link is in the description. After signing up, you'll get a verification call from their team to help complete your account setup. Even if you're already familiar with this AI platform, I strongly recommend sticking around for the full video. I'll be breaking down some key features and tips that could really boost your trading game. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming up next. So, what makes this AI investment platform stand out? Market analysis. The AI scans multiple crypto markets simultaneously, spotting patterns and trends in seconds that would take you hours to find manually. Trading signals. It analyzes technical indicators like moving averages, RSI, and volume patterns, then provides trading recommendations with entry and exit points. Your control. You set the rules, your risk level, how much to invest per trade, stop-loss limits. The AI works within your boundaries. 2 modes. Execute trades manually based on AI analysis, or enable auto trading within your preset rules. Beginners should start manual. Let's be honest about what to expect. Some days profit, some days lose. That's trading results. Depend on market conditions and your settings. This speeds up analysis, but doesn't eliminate risk. Think consistent improvement over time, not quick wins. This suits you if you're willing to learn trading basics. You can afford the €250 minimum deposit as risk capital. You want data-driven decision support. You can dedicate 30 to 60 minutes daily initially. Step 1. Register using the official verified link in my description below. Step 2. Start in demo mode with virtual money. Practice for 1 to 2 weeks minimum. Learn how signals work, test strategies, make mistakes without risk. Step 3. Deposit real money when you're ready to start making profits. Step 4. Start small, around €250. Conservative settings, manual approval, major coins only. Critical warning, scammers create fake clone sites to steal your money. Only use the official link in my description. Check the URL carefully. If it's not the exact link I provided, close the page immediately. The verified official registration link is in the description below. Click it to get started. Questions? Drop them in comments. Found this helpful? Like and subscribe. Remember, learn first in demo mode. Start small. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. See you next time.